Welcome to JH. Recently, we stumbled upon the Cadbury Christmas Hamper giveaway, and for those of you who live for chocolate, it's time to pay attention. Apparently, you can win a fabulous hamper just by sharing your Cadbury Secret Santa and filling out a quick entry form. Because clearly, your life's biggest problem right now is not having enough sugar in the house. But before you start dreaming of cocoa-induced bliss, let's address the elephant in the room. Is this actually legit? The giveaway is hosted by ChristmasFM.com, a well-known Irish radio station that specializes in seasonal cheer and interactive contests. Since it's sitting on an established platform with a real audience, it already has more credibility than that free vacation link your aunt sent you on Facebook. Even better, the domain was registered way back in 2008. In internet years, that makes it ancient, and older websites usually mean stability and a much lower chance of being a fly-by-night scam. It's nice to see something online that's lasted longer than most celebrity marriages. Their social media presence is actually active, with regular updates on Facebook and Instagram where they actually talk to their followers. They also openly claim Cadbury as their partner, and while we should always be skeptical of big names, this one feels solid. They've even provided an email and a live chat for support, which is a lot of effort for a scammer to go through. Most fake giveaways disappear faster than your motivation on a Monday morning, so having actual humans to talk to is a huge plus. With plenty of real people commenting and sharing their entries, the social proof is definitely there. So, is the Cadbury Christmas Hamper giveaway legit? Based on the 2008 domain, the active social channels, and the support options, it looks pretty genuine. Just try to keep your wits about you and make sure you're on the official site before handing over your details. If they start asking for your bank password in exchange for a chocolate bar, maybe take a deep breath and walk away. Otherwise, have fun and good luck winning that chocolatey goodness. Don't forget to subscribe for more updates, tips, and reviews.